To apply an effect, type Group 1 Effect, then the effect number followed by Enter. To create an effect, please go to the following pages in either the textbook or the user manual. To edit an effect, use the Effects Editor. To open it, press the Effect key twice. Follow the steps in the textbook or the ETC user manual for more information. To stop a specific effect, press Effect followed by that effect's number, at, and then Enter. To delete an effect, press Effect, Effect, then Delete, Effect, followed by the effect number and Enter. Press Enter again to confirm.